Hey guys, welcome back to a video of Tony's phone collection. Today we're going to be taking a phone lot I picked up on eBay. I only picked it up for two phones and we'll see what they are. They're both Alto phones, I'll tell you that. And I got some drop test videos I'm working on uploading right now. I got a couple of things to finish editing and then they'll be uploaded. So those will be going on pretty soon. Do that. So basically just a thank you for my purchase and leave a good feedback pretty much. So let's see what we got. The first two. Here they are. This one has a Samsung charger, which is nice. This is a Samsung SGH A737. Looks like the water indicator is a tad bit red. Probably has no charge in it. I know I have one or two of these, but I don't remember which colors I have. I don't think I have this yellowish color. This comes with a Samsung proprietary charger for that phone. Here we have a Nokia 6360. This is with AT&T. And it looks like it is dead as well. Alrighty, here are a couple more phones. This has got a bulged out battery, I can tell already. It doesn't look that bad actually. Samsung SGH A437. This is a AT&T phone. The battery coverage is maybe bulged out. It's a Samsung phone. The little glue's coming off. Well, that's coming out. So I can see it's got the deteriorated rubber. Let's see if the battery. I don't think it's the right battery for this phone, maybe. It doesn't seem like it's bulged out at all. No power. That's the back cover. Here, a Nokia with a bulged out battery. It is a Nokia 6030B, which I already have one of these. But actually I have two of them, but they're both silver. And T-Mobile, this one is singular. As you can tell, it's supposed to be a singular branding right here, but it's probably scratched off. So hopefully this one works, and then I can get rid of my silver ones, and I have two black and silver on different carriers. Here's one of the phones I ordered for this lot. It is a Motorola V60, I think it's a 60i maybe. Take the battery out. Motorola V60i, I was right. Right there. Battery is a little bulged. It's actually black, which I don't have a black one, which is pretty cool. And it's Alto. I also have two housings up there, a red one and a silver one that are in really good shape, but I'd like to keep the black one. The antenna looks to be a little damaged right here, so I'll have to try to see if I can find an antenna for one to replace it, but there's that one. Here is a audio box with a case. MVX 480XL. Definitely don't have a charger for that thing at all. Probably dead, I'm guessing. Manual antenna. Doesn't show to be a carrier as well. So there's that one. Talk about this one real quick because it looks like it's easier to open. There's another one that I picked up before, a Motorola MicroTac 650 on Altel. So there it is. Looks like it's starting to crack right there. Probably get some super glue and hold it together so it doesn't come apart. Let's see. Looks like the battery has already started showing some damage. I cannot get that to come off. 1 second. There we go. So I can see it looks like the battery's already got some damage here. Looks like someone maybe pulled it up when they weren't supposed to. There's the battery. There's all the information underneath there. Little instructions. There that is. I think this is just chargers, if I remember right. That was pretty tough packaging to get off that. So here we got some chargers. So first one is I think this is the home phone actually. I can tell that plug-in, so probably end up throwing that away, maybe throw it in one of my lots on eBay. Looks to be a Nokia charger possibly. Look up this one real quick. Yeah, that looks to be a Nokia charger. Actually, that fits in the headphone. Yeah, a Nokia charger. Here we have a Huawei charger. I'm pretty sure I don't have one of them. Don't have very many Huawei phones. Let's see what my phone's going off for. Okay. And then we have a micro USB charger. TPT, never heard of that, but micro USB charger. And then lastly, a proprietary mini USB Motorola charger, fold down traveling charger. Pretty common to have these ones. And then, like I said, we had the Samsung one we started out with. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and stay tuned for the next one.